Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous Resto-Mod 1967 GTO. It's born in Lemans. Got Pat here, the owner and builder. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Pat?
How you doing, Michael?
Good.
Yeah, this was a labor of love, a 2-year project. We took our time doing it. We pulled the body off the chassis, sandblasted the chassis, painted everything, all new suspension, front and rear, 4-wheel disc brakes, upgraded steering box and suspension. We have a 6-liter LS in it with a 6-speed Tremic standard shift transmission with a hydraulic clutch. We put old-time air in it. We have 17-inch wheels.
They're great.
The interior is all
those.
new. The car it's gorgeous. The color is just
Killer. Mariner turquoise.
Colors any place,
Yep.
It's just I saw one, a Firebird.
Yeah.
Came into the shop that I used to work at, and I saw the color. I said I had to have it. You know what I mean? And it is original color for this car.
Wow, Mariner turquoise, my favorite color. On the swatch, it looks a little black, obviously. And this car is done. Man, you really knocked it out of the park with this one.
Thank you.
Beautiful fitment of all the panels. Took him 2 years to build this car.
Yeah.
How many miles around the restoration?
Maybe 350.
Wow.
And it drives beautiful.
I can imagine.
You'll probably get 18 miles to the gallon
with the LS
on the road, because at 65 miles an hour, the tachometer is at about 1,800 RPMs. It's got plenty of getty up when you're in the low gears, but it should get good gas mileage if you do run it on the road.
It's the beauty of a Resto-Mod with an LS motor in it.
I'm sorry?
It's the beauty of a Resto-Mod with an LS.
Yeah.
This car is new. Man, jeez, gorgeous. Beautiful fitment of all the panels too. Let's check out under the hood.
Okay.
There she is, Fuel-Injected. Just fits in there, huh, Pat?
Yeah.
Very cool. Power steering, power brakes. Powder coated Shorty headers.
No, those are stainless steel.
Oh, stainless steel.
Stainless steel, that is. Yeah. Cool. And I have a Flowmaster exhaust system in it. Sounds really nice, but it's not overpowering. You can hear yourself. The radio sounds great at 60 miles an hour. So it's
nice big aluminum radiator.
Oh yeah.
Serpentine system.
And we have electric fans on it. And they go on when it reaches a certain temperature. As soon as you turn the AC on, they go on constant.
Beautiful. Man. Gorgeous. Vintage air, tubular A-arms, upper and lower. Man, brand new.
And it has the close ratio steering box.
And over the top, high flow air cleaner. Brand new. Oh, I like how you did the oil filter too. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, because there was no. If I had the original oil pan that I got the motor with, you wouldn't be able to fit it. It would hit the chassis, so we had to relocate that. And that was a week and a half of whatever, pulling my hair out, but it all came out nice.
You got a little hair left, I see.
And it's very easy to change the oil without getting the oil all over the place too. So that makes it nice.
Gorgeous. Every nut and bolt is brand new on this car.
Yeah, everything was completely taken apart and put together.
Cool.
I'll open the trunk if you want.
Yeah.
We have
and all new felts. Completely new interior.
Original, but everything else is done.
Oh, I like the Hurst shifter too.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
And it has a radio with Bluetooth, so you can listen to your iPad or Spotify, whatever the heck you want.
Man, I love the dash too.
Yeah,
beautiful. Like how you place the vents. Beautiful console. Brand new dash. Brand new visors. Man, done. Beautiful job. I like how you did the dash over here. It's pretty cool. Kick panels and the speakers on the bottom here.
Right, we got the
Very nicely done.
9x60.
6x9s back here. Again, seatbelts all the way around. Beautiful. Brand new door panels. All new glass too, or?
No, the glass is just clean.
Okay. Looks brand new. Door shut beautiful too, huh?
Yeah, beautiful.
Man, correct speckle back here too.
Yep. And we have the original jack, and it's in great shape.
Cool. Spare tire back here. Brand new tail light assemblies, all brand new wires. Doesn't get any nicer than this. I love these PMDs too.
Oh, yeah.
They emulate the originals, but obviously much bigger. A little bit of meat too.
Yeah, when I got them, I changed it from the gray to the black. I liked the way it looked a little bit better, so I had them upgraded.
Oh yeah, I agree. Looks way better. And then you got 245, 45 R17. Obviously brand new. Gorgeous, super straight body. Gorgeous. Well, fire it up. I want to hear it. Love how it's fuel injected too, you know?
Oh yeah, well, you know, that's what a Resto-Mod is.
Stainless steel Shorty headers.
Yes.
Flowmasters.
Flowmaster.
Sounds like you got an X pipe or an H pipe on there.
It's got an H pipe.
H pipe. New windshield too, huh?
Yeah, the front windshield is rim, and the
By
trim here is
PWC. Cool. Yeah, gorgeous. This color is killer too. This is beautiful.
Everybody that sees it, they freak out.
So California.
Yeah.
It really is.
But it's not a car that you see at often with this color.
No.
You see in black, red, you know.
Silver,
Yeah.
cameo white. Man, she is new. You relocated the steering pump, reservoir.
Well, we had to make it.
Did it get fit?
Yeah.
Man, all new brake lines, new.
Yeah, brake line, fuel line, everything is done.
Cool.
You're not going to take a chance with somebody gets hurt.
Yep.
And all of it's completely pulled apart and simple to put it together.
Of course, yeah.
It's like you're on a factory, you have the chassis completely make it, painted,
Yep.
and you just start assembling. And then put the body on, and then we built it from there.
All new inner wells, outer wells.
The firewall looks beautiful, nice and neat.
That's how you left it factory and not, you didn't smooth it out, you know? I think it looks much better like that. Gives a sense of originality to it. Man, that is phenomenal. Can we take a quick ride?
Certainly.
Go. God, this is gorgeous. It's all dyno matted inside too.
Sorry?
all dynomated in here also? Or?
Yes.
Of course. The 6-speed is nice too.
Yeah.
A lot of people go with the Tremic. Man, this thing is juicy. This thing sounds amazing. God, what a car. You knocked it out of the park, Pat.
Thank you.
He's got a retro sound, Bluetooth and everything, all new gauges. Love the wood wheel. Beautiful contrast against the dash. Not a squeak.
You want to hear music?
Just went over those railroad tracks.
Right.
It was beautiful. Not a squeak out of it. Man, that's so nice. Like a brand new car.
It really is.
It really is, literally. The fuel injection and everything else. See, hop in this thing and drive it to California.
And you can use regular gas.
And pump gas. And no funky smell of fuel in the garage. Nope.
Sorry. Okay. This is a one-way. I can't go back this way.
Okay.
Want to get somewhere?
Well, guys, thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 250 photos I took today on the website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot. Yeah, stops on a dime.